Do it. You got it. Stacy's mom has got it going on.
I'm counting.
One.
Very nice. Come on. Keep it strong. Two. Very slowly down. Three. Come on. Five. Six. Seven. Very nice. Take a deep penny breath and do it.
You don't need to breathe so much. Come on, let's go. Enough.
9.
Come on, last 6. Let's go. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Stop doing one rep at a time now. Enough. 1. Yes, one more. Come
One
on.
more. Fast. 11.
Very good.
8.
Yeah.
2 reps at a time. Come on.
1.
13. Come on.
Last 2. Make it count.
Make it count. Come on. Last 2. Slowly down. Keep your feet straight. Feet straight. Feet straight. Now. 14.
Yeah, one more rep because that was really bad. Come on, do it properly, man.
Slow it down. Slow it down. Make it count. Best rep. Tighten your core. Yeah. Slow it down. 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 Wait. Up.
Yeah.